Happy Friday everyone, it's Jira Bro back with the another video, and of course with the another feature that is going to be available and already is available for Jira Service Management, and that is the multilingual support for your forms. Now how actually this basically works: so first of all, you actually need to have the forms that have been added. You also, from your service project, you need to navigate to the form builder, and you're going to see this translate tab. Within the translate tab, you're going to add the languages that are going to be translated. But one thing that I want to mention here, in order for you guys not to get confused, the translations needed to be added by you. So if you think that if you're actually adding like French, for example, we're going to be adding French. And if you think that when you actually select the field and it gets translated automatically, no, it's not being done. So this needs to be added by yourself, okay? So it shouldn't be a problem because you're just going to do it once. Basically, that's it. It's always going to be translated, right? So we all know that we actually basically, generally in the world, we're all using English language in order to communicate and understand each other. Let's say you just don't want to, see it like every day and non-stop. You can use this feature. And of course, right, you can always at any time you can choose the language in Jira that you want to use, of course. But this adds the extra bit of a flavor to it. So you're actually ending the translations, and as you can see how it works, it's indicated by the red dots on which fields can be translated. And for them, in the field, as you can see right here, you just add the translation. The another thing that you need to do as well is that you can make this available for your customers. But one thing that I need to mention as well, you need to add previously the supported languages in Jira in order to actually use this, because if you actually don't do this, there's going to be a small yellow triangle saying that, you know what, man, in order to use this, you need to add that language to your Jira. And when you add that language to your Jira, from there you can even toggle it on. You could say, you know what, this is going to be available for the customers as well. So, très bien. What do we do now? So, as a prerequisite, I have this form created here. I'm gonna navigate to my translate, and what I already did. All right, let me just delete this. So I'm gonna add languages. I'm gonna go for French. And for Google Translate, I have attend conference. Okay. So this is how it's being spelled, like assister à la conférence. I don't know if that is the correct spelling on the French. If there is someone who is actually speaking French out there, please correct me. So, and we can actually select it. And now what we can do, in here it says translation. You're gonna copy and paste it. And now it says assistia, you know what. And in here, so as you can see, there is like 16 translations that we can update. And I'm gonna make this available to my customers. And when I'm actually done with this, I'm gonna be telling, you know what, The form is done. This can be translated to French as well. And yeah, and this feature was actually being developed based on the feedback. So if you actually saw that ad where another competitor is basically saying that Jira is not bringing up, the new features out, they're not developing it, I totally disagree. If you actually saw my previous videos, you're gonna see that there are constantly new features being developed, and it just keeps going. But other than that, yeah, that is everything that you need to know about this feature. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys for watching. Happy weekend, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.